Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about an app that help you to improve your productivity and enhance the web browsing skills which ultimately save your time. We are talking about Flynx Read Web Smartly. This app helps you to read article easily and quickly. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Play Store on your mobile. Search Flynx Read the Web Smartly. Here is the app. Install this app. Let's read some more about this app. Flynx helps you to open articles and links from all your favorite apps like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Google Plus in the revolutionary new way, featured as one of the essential app on Play Store by Google. It loads articles and links in the background for you while you do something productive. Quick read mode get rid of ads and load only relevant content, saving your time and data. It also allows you to save articles offline to read them later. Here it gives you the reason why to use this app. It saves your time. It loads articles and other links in the background while you continue using your current app. Save data load faster. Flynx intelligently get rid of all ads and unnecessary clutter from blog and articles, saving you a lot of mobile data. Read easy. Flynx display news, articles and blogs in a beautiful, easy on eyes view, allowing you to focus only on meaningful content. Save offline or read later. Save articles offline is super easy. Just double tap a link from any of your favorite apps and that's it. True multitasking. Flynx make multitasking effortless by allowing you to open multiple links and switch between them. Share links quickly to your favorite apps like Facebook, Twitter, Push Bullet, or save link directly to Pocket, Instapaper, Readability, Evernote. Flynx is available in different 15 languages like Arabic, Brazilian, Chinese, French, German, Japanese, and Spanish. App is installed now. Open it. It asks for permission. Click OK. Allow. Here it asks for permission again. Allow this. Here is the new tab open. Click over here. Again. Click here. Here it will show how Flynx work. Go to the Flynx setting. Make it as a default browser to open links. Here it shows your link. I go to Twitter and here click a link. Click over here. Here it shows my article. I can read here. I can read from here and close this by putting it to the cross. Close other also like this. I open Twitter and click the link. Click over here. It's loading the article and here is the article. Within no time I can read this article. I can change the display settings. I can change the color of the screen. Here it goes black, again white. Size of the font can be changed. Change the writing formats. From here you can share this link to other apps like email, Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever we want. Here we can copy the link. Here we can save the article. From here also we can share this article. Here we can reload the article. So you see how this app make it easy to read articles, share it to the other apps and save our time and data. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah.